Many ladies have the habit of straightening their hair. Every morning, we get up and use the straightener to make it easy to create a smooth and straight hair. However, using a hair straightener every day will easy to damage our hair. We only pay attention to the maintenance. So how to maintain after straight our hair? Today we will share you 4 tips to help you maintain your hair. First one, after straightening the hair, the number of shampoo should be appropriate. It should be not washed too much, and also it should not be washed too little. It's best to wash the hair once every 2 or 3 days. At the same time, the shampoo should choose the shampoo after the hot repair. Because the hair will be straightened, the hair will be greatly damaged. After washing, try not to blow with the air ducts, but try to choose natural dry. Wash when we making hair. Be sure we are using the hair conditioner to protect the hair. Number 2. In order to restore the hair as soon as possible after the hair is straightened, we should use the professional repair and care. We can also massage the scalp. Because the hair's own nutrition comes from the scalp, massage the head can help the blood circulate more smooth and help the scalp to secrete oil. This can help our hair. However, we should take care of the intensity of the massage. It depends on your hair quality. For oil hair, we should use the light force. And if for dry hair, it's better we use more strength. The third one, if we want to repair the hair quality, we should also pay attention to the diet. Eat less sweets because it will make the blood acidic and the hair will become dry. We should eat more fruits and vegetables and also water and vitamins. At the same time, we should eat more protein, calcium and iron. It can help prevent the hair loss and the white spotting. So, everyone knows how to maintain after straighten hair. If we want to straighten the hair and don't want to hurt the hair, it's better we choose in a good products and good hair straighteners. This is very important because good quality, good products can ensure and can less the damage of the hair. So everyone knows how to maintain after straighten hair. If we want to straighten the hair and don't want to hurt the hair, we should choose the good products and the good hair straighteners because good quality, good products can less the damage. Also, the later care is very important. Use conditioner after we wash the hair and also use the hair mask twice a week to help you repair the hair. So do you get it? 4 tips help you repair your straightened hair. If you have more questions, welcome to comment below. We will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.